Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today we will be looking at the Gear Fit 2 Pro from Samsung. This is the large variant. The packaging is very simple and clean. On the right, you have some of its features. You can pause and rate it. The front and left has a picture of the Smartband wrapped around it. On the back, you have a strap size guide. Let's get this opened. After slicing the security tab, the box slides out like so. You are greeted with the text Samsung on this tab. Opening it reveals the Smartband and its accessories. Here is the quick start guide and warranty card. This pouch contains the USB magnetic charging base. Let's take a look at the band itself. I am very impressed with the packaging. You can all rest assured that your band will arrive safely. Specs wise, this band has a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED curved screen, a dual-core 1GHz CPU, 512 MB of RAM, 4 gigs storage, 200 mAh battery. The OS is Samsung's very own called Tizen. This band also houses a heart rate and atmospheric pressure sensor. Very cool, Samsung. The band has two physical buttons, a home and power button and a back button. This is what the band looks like on my wrist. It feels very comfortable and the screen size looks great. I really love that the base is the magnetic type. It makes things really quick and very simple rather than fiddling with an unruly base to get the band charging. All in all, if you're looking for a smart band with some good fitness features, I would consider this. Pricing does tend to fluctuate, so I would shop around. You get a decent package with Samsung's level of quality, good battery life at 3 to 4 days of typical use or 5 days of low usage and up to 9 hours when using the GPS. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are interested, I will leave a link in the description. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. Are any of you excited for the upcoming LG G8X?